Hi guys, welcome back to Songmaker, and I've written a little thing for us right here that might sound a little different than everything we've heard so far. I've changed the beat in a very special way that I want to make sure we highlight. Boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, ba. In the settings menu, let's see what's changed. I changed what's called the beats per bar, and I changed it to 3. So far, we've usually had 4. Changing it to 3 means that in each bar, again, white, gray, are bigger lines. Now we only have 3 in between there. Splitting a bar into 3 makes a song feel like what's called a waltz, which is a dance thing. We started at the slower speed. That sounds alright. I wouldn't quite dance to that. But if you split your song into a beat of 3 and put the tempo, the speed, faster, that is called a waltz feel. It's easy to step to that. Step and a 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 step. If you're feeling like writing a dancey song, I really recommend trying that in our settings menu. Beats per bar and set it to 3. You can go even different. You can go back to our normal 4. You can go up to 5, 6, or 7 beats per bar. Again, that's going to give you a ton of options. Your bar will remain the same and color-coded, white, gray, but we've added so many more beats here that you can play around with. This is all about learning all the things that you can do in making your own song. So we have one more option to talk about, this one, and we'll talk about that in our next and last video. See you guys soon. Happy experimenting.